Hello class fifth, you all are welcome back again in your class. Hope you all are doing good and you all are revising your chapters properly. In today's class, we are going to study chapter number 11 and the name of the chapter is Fuel for All. Any material that is burned to obtain energy is called fuel. The process by which this fuel is converted into energy is called combustion and all vehicles need energy from fuel to move. जो बच्चों कोई भी मटेरियल है जब उसको जलाया जाता है सो वी ऑब्टेन एनर्जी उसे हम फ्यूल बोलते हैं एंड द प्रोसेस बाय विच दिस फ्यूल इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू एनर्जी उसे हम कंबशन बोलते हैं फ्यूल्स बच्चों डिवाइडेड है टू ग्रुप्स में फॉसिल फ्यूल्स एंड अल्टरनेट फ्यूल्स फॉसिल फ्यूल्स क्या होते हैं बच्चों कोल पेट्रोलियम एंड नेचुरल गैस ये क्या है ये फ्यूल्स है जो ऑब्टेन्ड होते हैं फ्रॉम द डेड रिमेन ऑफ प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल्स हु गॉट बरीड अंडर द अर्थ सरफेस मिलियंस ऑफ ईयर्स अगो. Hence, they are called fossil fuels and they are available in unlimited quantity. Therefore, they are exhaustible resources which cannot be renewed. And they are also called non-renewable resources. Then we have coal. Coal क्या है? Coal is a fossil fuel and ये use होता है as a fuel for cooking, heating and for generating electricity. It is also used to run steam engines and factories. Coal was formed फ्रॉम द रिमेन कोल कैसे बनता है रिमेनिंग ऑफ प्लांट मटेरियल जो बरीड हो जाते हैं अंडर द अर्थ सरफेस फॉर मिलियंस ऑफ ईयर अगो ड्यू टू हाई टेम्परेचर एंड प्रेशर दे गॉट चेंज टू कोल. Then we have petroleum. Petroleum हमें कहाँ मिलता है inside the earth and wells are drilled deep to reach the oil. And oil field ये एक area है where many oils well are drilled. Then we have crude oil. So crude oil उसको refine किया जाता है to produce many products like petrol, diesel, kerosene and mobile oil. And these find different usage. Then we have petrol. It is used as a fuel in vehicles. Diesel, it is used as a fuel in heavy vehicles like buses, trucks, ships, motorboats, etc. One step ahead, Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries OPEC. ये क्या है ये controlling body है of oil exporting. Then we have aviation. Turbine fuel is used as a fuel in aircrafts and it is a special kind of refined kerosene. Then we have LPG यानी कि liquefied petroleum gas is a byproduct of petroleum refining and it is used to cook food and it stored is cooking gas cylinders और ये burn करता है with the blue flame. Then we have natural gas. So in many oil fields, natural gas is found along with the crude mineral oil and this natural gas is lighter. Natural gas lighter है किससे than oil and is found above the layers of petroleum deposit and it is also used as fuel. Then we have CNG, compressed natural gas. So it is used in buses and auto rickshaw. Nowadays, it is an eco-friendly fuel that does not produce any smoke on burning. Then we have pumps for CNG. They are separately located from petrol pump. Some other byproducts of petroleum, they are used to manufacture cosmetic, drugs, plastics, fertilizers, etc. One step ahead, CNG क्या है CNG ने great contribution किया and a lot in checking the air pollution. Then we have wood. Wood क्या है बच्चों wood भी एक fuel है एक ईंधन है to cook to produce steam etc. And nowadays synthetic fuels they are made from biomass. Bituminous sand is processed to produce oil. Then we have alternate fuels, material other than fossil fuels that can be used as fuels. They are called alternate fuels, and some of the alternate fuels of source for vehicles as are hydrogen, biofuels like alcohol fuel, and biodiesels, battery operated vehicles, and electricity. Here you can see liquefied hydrogen is used as a fuel in spacecraft. Alcohol fuel ये use होता है to run cars in Brazil, and biodiesel is used to run vehicles in many European countries. Then we have fuel costly. The cost of fuel is rising very rapidly. The prices of petrol, diesel, kerosene and LPG are revised several times in a year. If the cost of fuels keep on rising at the same rate, the day is not far when fuel will be out of reach the common people. Then we have renewable resources and non-renewable resources. They are the source of energy. Knowledge plus plants where oil is refined उसे हम refinery बोलते हैं. We know that the fossil fuels they are non-renewable resources of energy. These cannot be regenerated in a short time. इसको millions of years लग जाते हैं. The rate at which they are being used soon we face a shortage. Now our future generations will not be able to see them अगर इनका shortage हो जाएगा. So there is an urgent need for us to depend on renewable source of energy like the wind, sun, flowing water etc. Wind energy from windmill use होती है to generate electricity, and solar energy is used to run solar cookers and solar lights. And these forms of energy, they are always available and are non-polluting. Then we have completed our chapter here. Let us summarize few points from the chapter. Coal is a fossil fuel, and oil field is an area where many oil wells are drilled. In many oil fields, natural gas it is found along the crude mineral oil. Kerosene used hota as a domestic fuel in stoves to cook food. Liquefied hydrogen is used as a fuel in spacecraft. Materials other than fossil fuels that can be used as a fuels उन्हें हम alternate fuels बोलते हैं. Trains, metro, rail, trams and cables, their cars, they can run on electricity. Any material जो burn करने के लिए use होता है to obtain energy, उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? Fuel बोलते हैं. The process by which this fuel is converted into energy, उसे हम combustion बोलते हैं. And two kinds of fuel are fossil fuels and alternate fuels. And the price of petrol, diesel, kerosene and LPG, they are revised several times in a year. That's all about this class. Revise the chapter properly and I'll be seeing you in another class. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.